I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a Tyrannosaurus Rex. But I'm doing him cute. Or her. I think it can't be a girl on this one, I don't know. So first of all, just move that out of the way. Draw the face. Come round like that, and then I'm going to come down and across. Okay, and then underneath, do the same. And I'm going to come down here and continue all the way down to about here. And then I want to draw there like that. It's going to be the back leg. I'm going to have a leg here. To the foot. I'm going to go up, there the toes. I'm going to put some nails on. There we go. It's just a bit of a triangle on the end. Okay, now the other foot. I'm going to come down, around like that. And the toes again, so it's just round. I think the cat is tormenting the dog. My little sausage dog Annie loves the cat and she wants to play, but the cat's not very sure. But I'm sure the cat started to torment her on purpose. So I'm doing the tail, going round here and up. Then I'm going to draw that back of the head all the way down. There. And eyes. So I'm going to make it look cute. So I'm going to draw big eyes. Just draw the nose coming in. I'm going to draw a massive eye. Big eyes tend to make them look really cute. Like that. Join that up with the nostrils. That's 1, 2. Now they've got tiny arms. I feel sorry for him with these little arms. So I'm going to have nails on the end of there. And I'm going to go down like that. Maybe another nail there. And this one, I'm going to go round. You see more of its arm. Go round, fingers. And then nails on the end. Like that. There's the arms. And now, down here, I want a little baby one. Oh, teeth. Got to do cute teeth. Not teeth that will hurt. So I'm going to come all the way down and round like that. Okay. I'm going to go around here. So you will move your paper maybe like that. Just a bit like that. Then you can move your hand. And that's going to go there. And then I'm going to have a big leg coming in here and the foot. So we just do that. Okay, there are the toes. And then these leg. And then the same here. Toes. Okay, and that can come in. Now the tummy is going to come from here. I'm going to have to stop there because I need a hand and I don't want the line going across the hand, so I'm going to draw little hands like that. And then we'll need another one at this side like that. And then I'm going to draw a little face. So going round. I'm going to stop there so we can have the eyes. I'm going to do him nice and smiley. So we've got big eyes. So I'm going to do a circle here. And then I'm going to go behind that circle and draw it there like that. I'm going to have a look at his bum. Like that. Looking up. Now I'm going to draw the pupils on the mum. I might make the mum a bit smiley. A bit more like that. You can do what you want. with yours. Just join that bit up there. There we go. We have got a cute Tyrannosaurus. So if you want to send your pictures to me, you'll find details below, either through Facebook or my email, and I will post them on my page. And thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time.